guys, welcome back to a brand new video. I've literally just actually filmed the video. I would have already uploaded that for you guys, but now we're on to the next video, and today what we're doing is installing a new front splitter from TRC. Came in this massive box, TRC there. Yeah, installing a brand new front splitter because basically probably about 2 months after I bought the car, it already had a splitter on, but I split it. I wasn't quite used to how low it was and how careful you have to be going up kind of ramps in car parks and things like that. So basically I was going into work, into the depot, and there's a slight ramp. Went up that straight up and I just heard a massive like crack, and I kept on edging forward and I was like, fuck, what was that, what was that? And I just saw in my rear view mirror like half of my splitter just on the floor. So basically I tried to repair it and it didn't look too bad, and then I had to use filler, get rid of the crack, try and kind of support it, and then repaint it. It was quite a lot of work, but I decided to give it a go anyway. I've been waiting to replace that for quite a while. Here is the new front splitter from TRC, and also I've been waiting for this. Where is it? I've also been waiting for these. Now these are the rear spats, which just fit down here, just underneath the bumper here. This will complete the low line kit that they sell on their website. So I've got the front splitter, I've got the side skirt extensions, and I've also got the rear spats as well. So what we're doing today, take off the old front splitter which is cracked, chuck that in the bin, fit the new one, and then I'll also redo the pinstripe tape all around the car as well, because that needs redoing. I've just got it up here in the garage. Redo the pinstripe tape, and we're also going to be fitting the rear spats as well, which I'm really looking forward to. Should make the car look a lot kind of more complete, I guess. But yeah, we'll have to wait and see how it looks. Let's get cracking. So that's what you need to be holding with the spanner, and then that's what you need to undo with the Torx 25 bit, just to stop that bit from spinning. You hold that still, and then you're obviously undoing the Torx 25. So we're going to get all these undone, get the splitter off, and then have a go at fitting the new one. There's only one place where that's going. That's in the fucking bin. Right then boys, so welcome back. It's the following day. Last night I had to remove the front splitter, and then after I'd done that I had to go pick up the missus from work, and after that I just couldn't be bothered to do any more, so I was a bit lazy last night. But we're back again this morning. Now just fitting the front splitter first, and then we'll be moving on to the rear spats. So what I've just done, I've just slightly put in I think 3 main, the longer bolts at the front middle, and then a bolt, the short bolts, one on each corner. I've just got a jack just holding the splitter up at the moment. Want to get the bolts in position, tighten them up a little bit, remove the jack, make sure it's all sitting nice and straight and everything. Then I'll tighten all the bolts up fully. Let me just show you what I'm doing. Luckily today it's not raining. It is forecast to rain at 1 o'clock, I think it said. Let me just check. Oh, they've now moved it to heavy rain at 2 o'clock. So we've got about 2.5 hours until it's meant to start raining, which should be enough time. If I do have any problems, I'm sure I can just back the car into the garage a little bit more to do the rear spats, and then I'm kind of undercover from the garage door a little bit. Might need to do it, might not. But yeah, basically what we're doing, we've just got a jack holding the front splitter up, just like so. I've got one bolt in here, one bolt in here, and they're the longer bolts, like these ones here. I've just got, so they're the longer ones, and then there's the shorter ones there. 5 long bolts in the middle here, and then 2 smaller bolts on each side. So just going to get on this, keep on getting these bolts in there and start tightening them up properly. Right, so all them bigger 5 bolts are all in the front now, all located in the correct holes with the bolt slightly screwed on the top. Obviously you can see there's a bit of a gap here, but that will close up when I tighten the bolts up. Just going to get these 2 remaining smaller bolts in. One here and one on the other side in the same place. So let's just get them in real quick. Don't look like she's on there too badly. Only problem is there's one bolt which is just down there. So you got the 2 on the side there. The end one is okay, that one, and then this one here, it's just not lining up. So it's probably about, if the screw went in, it would have to go in at kind of like that angle going up to the hole, and it's just not worth doing it like that. So I think I'm just going to jack it up, and where the hole is pre-drilled in the splitter already, I'll just follow that hole straight up. I don't know why they're not lining up, it's a bit weird. Maybe as the holes are slightly different on this splitter to what they were on the last splitter, I don't know. But I'm just going to jack the front of the car up, get the drill underneath it, follow that hole up which is already pre-drilled in the splitter, and then just whack the bolt up through there. So we're getting on it. Right then guys, so I've just jacked up the rear end of the car on the rear subframe. Here are the rear spats. I think they look pretty nice in my opinion. So basically all we need to do, hack them in there, and that's how it'll be looking. I think that looks pretty decent, to be fair. I want to know why one has got a sticker and the other hasn't. How's that work? Bit weird, but yeah. You want it to just be level with the end of the bumper. So probably about there, like so. So I'm just going to add a few little pieces of double-sided tape, just so they stay in the right area while I get the drill. And I'm just going to line it up again. Just going to check that that actually looks alright, which I think it does. Feels all nice and even. And then all you need to do is grab the drill. I think there's just going to be enough room. Maybe there's not. That should be enough room. Three bolts, 3 nuts and 3 washers. Just going to take the nuts off. Don't look like the holes I've drilled have been fucking big enough. I'm just going to go in with the drill again. So now that should be fine. Whack the bolt through. There we go. rear spat is all on. Looking pretty nice if I do say so myself. Right, now move on to the other one. Right then boys, so a little update. Both the sides are on and I've just completed the pinstriping and I think they look pretty sick, to be fair. Right, if I just come around here, just like look at it from here, I think it just completes the car really. Don't know how well you can actually see it, but yeah, rear spats are on and I'm happy because they look pretty sick. I've got to pinstripe that splitter quickly and then see the side skirt extension all pinstriped, and then the rear spat is pinstriped as well, so it's like the whole low line kit kind of is all connected in a way. I think they look pretty sick, I like that. So what we're going to do now is just pinstripe the front, the splitter on the front, and then I'll show you afterwards. Right then guys, so I'm just sitting in the garage, it's now raining again. The rear spats are all on. I've put the pinstripe tape on them and I put the pinstripe tape on the front splitter as well. I just think sitting in the garage here looking at the rear of the car, if I just spin the camera around, just sitting here looking at the back of the car, I think the rear spats and the fresh pinstripe going across there, I think it looks so much better now, and I just love how the rear end of the car look. But yeah, just quickly come outside, show you. Not really the best angle down here, but that's what they look like from side view kind of thing. And then if I just show you the front, you can see that I've pinstriped the front splitter and I've also put a bit of pinstripe around the front grille. I'm not sure if I like the kind of pinstripe that I've put around the grille, especially like these squared off bits here, but I guess I'm just going to leave them, see if it grows on me. But yeah guys, that is going to be the video. All the jobs are now done. So yesterday I'd done the dynamic indicator things on the wing mirror. That video should be up before this one. And then we've got today, just filmed the new front splitter install and the rear spats. And I think it just looks so much better. It kind of just finishes it off, and I've now got, whoa, it's bare dark, there we go. But yeah, I've now got like the full low line kit that TRC sell, and I think it looks way better now, like a lot better, especially with a fresh pinstripe on as well. And I haven't actually got a broken front splitter now, so I'm happy and I think it looks sick. So yeah boys, that's going to be the end. If you did like the video, don't be afraid to give it a like and also subscribe as well. I also did hit 2k subs I think about a week ago now, and I'm so like gassed for that. I want to thank each and every one of you for subscribing and getting me there. I really do appreciate everyone who's messaged, commented, liked, subscribed, all of the support and stuff that I've had on YouTube and Instagram. I just keep on growing and growing and growing, and I'm growing at quite a fast rate. If I don't want to sound big-headed, but I didn't think I would grow kind of this quickly. But I just want to thank all of you out there. There's still so many more bits to come as well, so definitely if you're not subscribed, subscribe, because I've got so many more plans to come for the Fiesta. So yeah, I'm going to leave it there. Cheers for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.